have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning example of a 1962 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 409, dual 4 barrels, numbers matching engine, numbers matching transmission, 4-speed, power steering, power top, red on red oxide floors. I mean, this thing is nice. Show quality. All the chrome trim, bright work. It's better than new. And this thing is amazing. At www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Located in Fenton, Missouri. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Got great financing, great rates, great terms. Easy process, 10% down usually is the number you're driving. Fly in, St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same. Like I said, just look at that thing underneath there. That thing is just amazing. More than happy to pick you up from the airport, just forward us your flight itinerary, take it to either one of our 3 warehouses full of classics. We'll put it up on a lift, take it out for a ride, make sure it's a good fit. But yeah, I mean, this absolutely the best of the best. Again, we're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis, about 25 minutes from the International Airport. If you need assistance in transportation, we do it as a courtesy service. We'd be more than happy to arrange that to your door anywhere in the world. So, sold to 85 countries, every state, multiple times. Been in business 25 years. Love this car. Just absolutely stunning. You can just tell the workmanship on this, the detail. Super Sport shifter. Everything on this car, even the rear center console light, everything on this car works except the factory clock. It is intermittent. So, good thing we all have phones with clocks. This is just an absolutely stunning car. High dollar restoration. Matching spare tire, jack. Factory sun tag in there.
It's been postponed in the Senate Judiciary Committee.
Even the
says the Justice
factory radio works. You got the emergency brake on, and you can see emergency brake works and the light. When you start this up, the cold engine, the green light showing the cold engine, all that stuff works on it. Just a cool car. Pick up the phone. My name's Mark. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. And we're at Westport Auto Center in Fenton, Missouri. www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find 100+ detailed pictures of this car. Big 6-figure restoration, not including the car. Paint is just absolutely stunning. It's just a show quality vehicle, built to show, built to drive. So, P suffix, numbers matching, dual 4-barrel, numbers matching transmission as well, 4-speed, button seat, center console, sun tack, power steering, power top, great mood, just a great car. If you need any more information, want to purchase, pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. You can find more pictures at www.westportautocenter.com.